Yo, what's going on guys, Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today we're going to be working on this Clio again. So in today's video we're going to be prepping the two bumpers for painting. We're going to fix all the damages, eyes upon them and stuff. Now I've just had a wee nosy inside this bumper. As I was recording I just looked across and someone's actually plastic welded all this bumper. So this is going to be brave and fun to fix. But anyway, you know me, I'll give anything a crack. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to strip out these two bumpers, strip out the front one and the back one. We're going to DA the whole bumpers for 500, maybe 320 for any rough bits. Well, 320, obviously the eyes upon, that's going to be like P120 and stuff like that. Now, you probably wonder why I don't get into the seatbelts. The seatbelts we haven't took out yet, so I'm not worried about them. I'll be more worried about them when we're coming to build her up and stuff. Now, I think this intercooler is here, but all that there will be in a video that when we're building her up, like putting the wings on, the bumpers, the headlights, stuff like that. So we'll all do that in that video. That's why I haven't showed any of that yet. So we're going to crack on and get these two bumpers done. Now I've obviously I've done the wing. It's sitting over. It's actually sitting over there. 500 of it all. I'm still waiting on the primer gun coming so we can prime these up. Another thing, guys. Thanks for all the support again in the videos. You know, I actually can't believe how much support I'm actually still getting. You know, as I said in my last video, I'm sure you're sick of hearing. I'm enjoying doing it. I really am enjoying doing it. Now, but there's one thing I'll ask from you: if you could share this video, share even the channel, share it with your friend. If you share it with one friend and he subscribes, and he tells another friend, he subscribes. You know, we're gonna get closer to this 100 subscriber mark. So, some reason that's a big milestone for me, and it makes me real happy to even reach out 100 subscribers. You know, I'll be very thankful of it. So anyway guys, enough of my talking, we're going to get DN these bumpers. Well, we'll strip it first and then we'll crack on.
I'm holding on for you to come around. I've waited for so long, I've run aground. I feel I'm burning up inside. Oh, hear me crying. I feel like everyone's alive, and I am dying. 'Cause you are all I need. The reason I
So you have it guys, have both bumpers stripped. This bumper's actually not too bad, this is a rear one. Has a wee bit of lacquer peel up here and stuff. But anyway, it's been badly painted with an aerosol and stuff. I don't actually think there's any damages. Oh yes, there's a wee height in here. I should be able to push that out, no bother. There doesn't seem to be any really bad damages. But like saying deep scores there, you just give them a wee bit of 320 and then 500 back up. Now, I don't actually see much wrong with that bumper, to be honest. I could probably leave it and throw it on, but you know what, I'm painting the back and might as well just paint it. Now the only thing there is, there's a wee hole there, you see, I don't know what happened to it. So I'm just gonna actually melt the wee bumper in that there, like the wee parts of the bumper, and put a wee skim over that there, and if that RE side needs a wee skim, I'll give it a wee skim. And I'm going to DA the rest of the bumper at 500. Ooh, someone's got a wee run. Don't know if you can see it. No, you can't really see it. But the front bumper, we're going to need a wee bit more like heating and eyes upon stuff. So we'll do this bumper first, get it wiped out of the way, and we'll get on to the back.
can make me sane. Stop me crying. I know that you will keep me safe, safe from dying. 'Cause you are all I need. The reason I break.
So there you have it guys, how the bumpers rubbed down as much as you can with the anyway. Gonna have to go in by hand after and take this number plate stickies and stuff off. Now, see while you're prepping bumpers, always make sure you do get in these wee edges, because that's most likely where the paint's gonna flake, so it is. And if that starts flaking, just flake a whole lot. You don't want that in a lovely painted bumper. You think it's absolutely amazing, and you've just forgot to rub in here and it's gonna flake, so you don't want that. Now we've got two wee repairs in this bumper. I think that's it. You've got this one down here, obviously someone's tried a plastic weld. Now, if you do feel it, you obviously can't feel it unless you're some fucking sort of magician or something. But it's actually very high. Now, I can't do anything with this because it's all plastic welded. Now, I could break the plastic weld and stuff, but I'm not going to do that. So tell you what I'm actually going to do. I'm actually just going to skim over this and actually leave the ice pond high, but feather it into here and here. It's almost like I'm creating a new bit of the bumper, really. So when it's painted, you're not going to know it's any different because it's feathered into there and it's feathered into there, but it's only going to be a wee bit higher. Now you'll not notice it at all. You'll see that when it's painted. There's an wee damage just in here. It's actually just a wee dip in there. It's nothing too major, but we might as well just fix it while we're fixing the rest. I know I said to you guys about blowing bumpers and like blowing this half in and that could have done with paint, but this bumper is actually so much stone chipped that I'm just going to actually maybe just prime the whole bumper, fix all the stone chips and paint that whole bumper. There's no point just painting one half, leaving the other half looking shite. You know, I might as well do the whole lot. Now going on to the back bumper, that wee damage there I showed you at the start, it's actually got that pushed out a wee bit. There's actually a wee dip in it, and the height around it actually feels really good there. But obviously I need a wee bit of primer. That there was just where the lacquer peel was, so I had to just the edges out. You can still feel a wee bit in it, but prime that, it should be grand. Now the only wee bit of ice pond I need in this bumper is that there wee bit that I melted, as you've seen. Though it's very dark around here, but I just melted that lovely. It's not going to break, so that's good. Another thing, guys, see when you're doing stuff like this here, see if you find like saying we deep scratches, you know, people getting stuff in out the boot, just fill them. There's no point just painting over them, just fill them up. It'll take 2 minutes. You'll probably throw the same amount of ice pond out that you're going to put in this. So we're going to crack on. We're going to get some ice pond mix, and we're going to get some ice pond on this. Now people probably are wondering, how do you mix ice pond? So basically what they say is 50-1, so that's like a golf ball, a filler and a wee pea of hardener. Now you don't need much hardener. The more you put on, say you put a whole load of hardener in because you need drying the wires, cowl and stuff, and the ice pond's bright red. Now that actually can bleach through your paint when you have finished painting it. So say a white PR, or even I've seen it happen to red PRs, you know, they're parked somewhere and you can just see the ice pond straight through the paint because someone's obviously put too much hardener in. Another thing, when you're putting ice pond on, you gotta make sure your pond's well rubbed down with 120 or 80 or whatever you like, because if it's not rubbed down, you may think you've done a good repair. See, after a while, the ice pond will just actually flake off the bumper or the panel because it has not got a good adhesion to it. Now anyway guys, enough of my talking. I'm gonna get on and I'm gonna put filler in this bumper and we'll get it rubbed down as best we can, and I'll catch you there.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh.
So you have it guys, that's ice pond rubbed. Now this one here, I did put a bit of dolphin glaze on it, or seal skin, whatever you call it, but that's just to fill any minor imperfections in, like wee pits and stuff in the ice pond. But it did need an hour wee skim, don't get me wrong, that repair's not 100%. There still is a wee bit of a height in it, but I think it might be alright by the time it's primed. It's on a curve too, so we'll soon see when the primer goes on. So I'll rub that off camera. Now the rest of this bumper, I do have to rub by hand. I've rubbed most of it by hand, but if they rub like around this here, I've put palm wipe, and if anybody's looking to know to get them off, usually a wee cloth over it, a bit of palm wipe, just leave it on that soaks into it, and I'll just scrape right off. But if you have a rubber wheel or a caramel wheel, you can just rub that on it and it'll take it off. Now I finished the ones in this back bumper too. See, them wee scores there, that's them filled in, and that's that wee bit there filled in. Actually looks really good, so it does. Anyway guys, again, I can't even thank you enough for all the support you've been giving me in a couple of videos I've been doing. Though the last video on the Cavalier, I did have 14 likes on it, and for some reason I refreshed the page last night just to see how we're getting on stats wise and stuff. And I've lost 11 likes on it. I don't know if YouTube took them off, or obviously people's just didn't mean to like it. But anyway, if you did like that video, please go back and like it. You know, it helps the channel out grow and stuff like that. There, we're getting closer and closer to that 100 subscribers every day. I think we're on 52 at the minute. Just keep going, keep our little lads. You know, share this video with anyone you know, or even drop down in the comments what you want to see, what type of videos do you want to see. Maybe you don't like me repairing these bumpers and stuff and showing them. Another thing is, we're going to definitely do a giveaway. I've thought about what we're going to give away at 100 subscribers. I think I'm going to give away 2 primer guns. Now don't get me wrong, they're not going to be dear expensive primer guns, but it's just in case any of you guys at home fixing repairs, you don't actually have a gun, the mixed primer up and put in, maybe you're just aerosol prime and stuff. You know, if I get them primer guns sorted out and sent out to you at 100 subscribers, you know, the quicker we get there, the quicker I get that giveaway. So anyway guys, enough of my talking. In the next video, we're gonna hopefully be painting these. I'm gonna try and prime them off camera. If you don't see me prime them, that's alright, I'll do a video, but I might try and prime them off camera, rub them all down, rub the tailgate down, rest the tailgate down, do all the priming off camera, and then next video, it's only a matter of us painting them. You know, we're gonna paint them black, obviously. We'll do our wet and wet black and then straight there black. My dad's gonna get the paint this week for it. We're gonna get a leader for the 2 bumpers, wing and tailgate on the inside. A lot of people say that's probably not enough, but paint you mix 2 to 1, so, or well, my paint you mix 1 to 1, so basically, you know, a litres 2 litres to me. Anyway guys, it's been Rebuilds NI, out.